The chief secretary was on leave. The officiating chief secretary didn't want to take any calls at midnight of the 28th when I landed in Ahmedabad from Jodhpur. I do not lie. Also, when the time comes, these diaries will be produced. The war diaries of the battalions reflect the correct position. I regret to say that this is not the case only in Gujarat. I found the police totally parochial, one-sided, and do not help in the riot. I've seen it in my hometown in Punjab. This is the problem the government needs to attend to. People ask me, suggest a solution. Well, I said, recruit some more minority policemen.
The book is silent about the role of the political leadership. If civil and police administration fails to respond to a massive failure of law and order, where does the responsibility rest in a democratic and parliamentary system? Why was Article 355 of the Constitution, which makes it, and I quote, a duty of the Union to protect a state against internal disturbance, why was it not invoked even when the centre had the benefit of Raksha Mantri's on-the-spot assessment? The reporting of happenings in national and international media was extensive, and so was civil society and the National Human Rights Commission, who were very critical. In an interview to a Malayalam weekly in March 2005, former President K.R. Narayanan revealed his remonstration with the government and observed, and I quote him here, that the military were sent but not given the power to shoot, and I quote him again, there was a conspiracy involving the state and central government behind the Gujarat riots. That is that part of the book. I come now to the other part, which is again caught the interest of some people, many people.